only grip you use, it has limited benefits.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. A somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, to the blue. I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
Or you're getting lots of calluses, odds are you're pressing way too hard. And there are multiple reasons to not do that. One being just, the damage you're doing to your fingers there, but also just in the moment, like oftentimes people do that because they feel like it'll give them more control. It's the illusion of control though, because in reality, the tendons that make me press hard go all the way up my arm here, and they're also the ones that make my fingers move. And if I'm pressing hard, I can't really move very much, so that I'm forced to use my arm. Drawing with your arm is good, but it robs you of a lot of finesse and detail. And also that constant tension and fighting it while drawing, that leads to carpal tunnel. Bad. You don't want the carpal tunnel. It's very painful and it will greatly reduce your ability to draw. So having a nice, loose, relaxed grip, I often joke that you want your pencil to almost be ready to fall out of your fingers. Just the only thing keeping it there is that there's 3 fingers holding it